Hi, I'm Ty with Golfkicks, and today we're going to show you how to mount your spikes. So you've got your traction kit. Included inside are 20 golf spikes. You've got shoe goo, which we'll put on the threads. I'll show you that. A drill bit in case you have a power drill. A Sharpie for mapping out your traction, and a hand tool. So the biggest factor in you having success with this product is the shoes you choose. So we really like flat rubber soles. If there's existing traction on the shoe, you can do it, but it's a whole advanced install. We have other videos for that. So flat rubber, it doesn't need to be rubber all the way through. You can have a layer of rubber over foam, but we're looking for a flat rubber sole so that it fully supports that spike once you put it in. So what we do to map out, you're going to use 8 spikes on an adult shoe. First thing we do is map out the traction. So I like to lay them out like this, upside down. It'll just give you an idea. All shoes are different. All soles are different. So this will kind of show you, and you'll be able to tell if it has a nice flat spot to support your spike, right? Then I take them off one at a time. Use the included Sharpie to mark your spot. I've already done these shoes a couple times. They're demo shoes, so you can see my marks. So once you have your spots marked, you're going to lay out. All right, so once you have your spots marked, we're going to use our shoe goo, which will help lock these things in. So I do a little dab of shoe goo on the threads. Little dab like that of shoe goo on the threads. And I'm going to put my hand inside the shoe for a little back pressure. Get it started. A couple turns, and then once you're flush, you're in. You don't want to overturn it. Looks like that, nice and flush. And then I'll do one with the drill as well. Again, make sure you remember your shoe goo. Little dollop. Nice and flush. So there's one by hand, one by drill. You'll end up with your new pair of golf kicks mounted up. Make sure they're all flush. Let that shoe goo dry out overnight, and you're good to go. Some of the questions we get, can you take them off and put them back on every time? They're really designed to be permanent. So you're mounting these things up. You're using shoe goo. You don't want to take them out every time you play golf anyway. If you do happen to take them out for like a fast-growing kid, you can you can transfer them to another pair of shoes. The old shoes are fine. You know, you've got some little incisions in the sole, but it doesn't go all the way through. What else? Air pockets. So some shoes have air or gel pockets. You can look those up, a deconstruct photo yourself. It's totally up to you. These screws are 7 millimeters long, so they usually don't hit the air pockets you can see. But that's up to you. Also, you're going to be walking around on grass, not dunking a basketball, so shouldn't really matter. So thanks a lot from Golfkicks. Thanks for checking out our product. Have fun out there. Hit us up if you have any questions, and send us pictures and videos. We love getting content from people that are happy with their golf kicks. We'll put you up on our accounts. Stay safe.